Wrong tools for the job. Hey everyone, Moonlux Papa here. In this camp trip we are now in Nature Mirai, which is in the northeastern part of the island. As we continue our Tenker tent tour, we were able to get a nice site that was overlooking the ocean. More information on the campsite itself will be in the description below. Decided to go with the indoor living area style again, as you can see here with the blankets. Added a few more to be able to spread out the entire floor space. Lukey was getting a lot better at putting his own bed together.
ママの横につけてこっち。同じ。じゃんじゃん。じゃんじゃん。座ってこっちに座ってちょうだい。足。ルッキーはこのプレゼント。こんなってこっち。きれい。今じゃないでしょ。Okay, ルッキーボンの番。
Mini Christmas tree decoration.
足りなくてもいいよ。
パイナップル、パパパパパパパパイナップル。うるさい。
This was the kids' first activity.
じゃあつけよう。せーの。じゃらーん。
はいじゃあつけて。
Luke brought his remote control car, which he bought in Korea.
20歳で乗ってれる。ほう。
It was convenient having this little sidewalk that he was able to utilize.
せーの。いくよ。
This campsite in particular is popular for kayaking and SUP, stand-up paddle. The reason why is because there are mangroves close by.
Camping number 28.
Yep. 48 though.
48.
On that beach.
Why for two?
You have to go all the way around. But those are mangroves over there.
Mama, green.
Sumi also. Dang. And this is where you cook. You could cook if you want. Make a pizza. Oh, lights are on. And a pretty nice sink. Got a hose. It's the kayaks. This is rental, tent rental. Get the stuff from that building. Is it smooth over there? Luna. She can't even hear me. The central area of this campsite had a shop and also picnic tables. They had a few rental stands for rental bikes. This is also where the showers and bathrooms were. This area was a lot more friendly for Luke's RC car. The shop was very well equipped with food, drinks, fireworks, toys, cup ramen, anything you could think of that you would need at camp. So this was definitely a step in the right direction for campsites in Japan. However, I believe it closed around 5 p.m. So if you needed something later at night, you're out of luck. Also had this interesting triple person swing setup, which was right next to the small playground that they had. A bit dated though. Ooh.
Yay.
Oh, skip mo dekiru. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, let's go back to camp. saw がいいかもま。
何がいい？
saw. The wrong tools for the job.
広がるパノラマ顔蹴られた地球がパパ、ストリングライトどこ行った？ 100 個ぐらいある。100個ぐらい溜まるやつ。
Should be right by your feet in that bucket, じゃない？
バケット？
Your wood rack, 下右 where the oil lamp is.
あ
った？
あった。なんかつけちゃった。
Both Moonluck's mama and I were mic'd up in these scenes, which is why you could hear the audio from the tent and also outside. Finally had 2 big trees to support this hammock.
助けない。
かわいいね。
クリスマスのよいしょ。
こっちの？
The weather was overcast the entire time, but thankfully no rain. This awesome creative conquest lantern stand is one of my favorite items that I have in my collection. Very nice setup for outside the tent.
OK。
一見。
あちちだからね。
Moonluck's mama preparing some highballs. Some Belgian style white ale. And the usual Calpis water for the kids.
Yay!
Luke enjoying his drink.
もう一回なんでもう一回。
And maybe seeing himself in the camera too.
乾杯。
7-Eleven, the convenience store here in Japan, sells these already made quick dinners. So this one here is the hamburger steak. All you need to do is boil it or microwave it. Very easy, very delicious, and cost effective.
7-Eleven プレミアムスペシャルハンバーグ。その後、クティック。
クティックは何？
韓国のトラフルパスタインスタント。天国行ける味。
It's one of our remaining stocks of the kutik pasta that we bought from Korea, the truffle pasta. Can't wait to go back and restock.
Daikon pork bone shiitake soup. Brought it to camp. Easy quick soup. too.
A winter favorite that kids love having pears during the winter. So this is Moonlug's mother preparing that for them.
Last one. And then you have...
いただきます。
流しそうめんやりたい時。
黒いのがめっちゃついてる。
黒？墨ね。Good morning, Luna. Lookie's stuck in the hammock. Early checkout, so we scrambled. No time for footage. Now we gotta bring all our stuff to the car. That's about it. Didn't even have time for breakfast. Boo! Nice view though. People on the beach. Kayakers. Alright.
Lucky by the
Lucky boy. Lucky boy. Say, see you next campsite.
Yes.
Yes. So see you later. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
There's all our usual setup in the cave-in. Plus a few extras. The racks on top help with the flat boots. Alright guys, see you at the next camp.